Hello everyone, you are watching the AME channel. Today we are going to see about the landing gear. Let's get into the topic. First, landing gear. There are two types of landing gear available in aircrafts. That may be a retractable landing gear and non-retractable landing gear. Here we are going to see about the retractable landing gear. How I am saying this is a retractable landing gear means here you can see in the retractable arm which is operated by the hydraulics, right? By this retraction arm, the aircraft after takeoff, this landing gear is retracted into the wheel well area or fuselage, okay? So that we can call this as a retractable landing gear. Let's check out these parts, okay? Here there are so many parts available. First is Solio Stud or Solio. Then after landing light. Then after flare fittings, hydraulic lines, squat switch, torque arm or torque links, upper torque arm or upper torque link, lower torque link, brake system, aircraft tire or wheel, jerk fittings and hydraulic bubbles expansion point, like that, okay? Let us detailedly see about these parts. First is Solio Stud. This Solio Stud has two chambers, upper chamber and lower chamber. In the upper chamber, it is filled with nitrogen, and lower chamber it is filled with hydraulics. Okay, this Solio Stud is the supportable structure for this aircraft. How I can say means this aircraft has nearly of 3 ton empty weight and 6 ton maximum takeoff weight. That 3 ton and 6 ton is supported by this Solio Stud only. Okay. Which means this is a supporting structure of this aircraft, like that we can say. This is Solio Stud. In Solio Stud we are filling in nitrogen and hydraulic fluid, right? We can able to fill the hydraulic fluid in this point. Okay, we can able to fill the hydraulic fluid in this point. This is Solio. Then after landing light. Landing light provides illumination during night, that like it is the purpose landing light. In a modern sophisticated aircraft, the landing gear light gets automatically illuminated after the retraction of landing gear from the wheel well area. This is landing light. Then after squat switch. Squat switch indicates whether the landing gear is in airborne or it is retracted. Like that it is indication switch. Here you can see on contact switch. If the contact switch is meshed with the structure means it shows that the landing gear is in ground, like that it indicates. If this contact switch is not meshed with the structure means we can easily say the landing gear is retracted into the wheel well area, like that it will indicate the position of landing gear in the cockpit. This is the indication switch called squat switch, okay? Then these two are called as torque links or torque arm. Here the vibrations will happen in the Solio Stud, right? Due to the vibration some damage will result, na? So to neglect that damage and observe vibration, we need to absorb the vibration, right? We need, for the absorption of the vibration, these torque links are provided. These torque links absorbs the vibration in the Solio Stud. Okay, we can adjust these torque links also by this bolt and all. Then next is aircraft wheel. We already did a separate video about the dismantling of aircraft wheel and the bearings dismantling in description. I put that video in the description. Just check it out. Okay. Then after brake system. Aircraft usually employs a disc brake system. This disc brake system is driven by the hydraulic system. You can see the hydraulic lines here. There are two hydraulic lines in this landing gear. Each hydraulic line is to operate each wheel hydraulic disc braking system. Okay. This landing gear uses a disc brake system with an anti-skid system so that the aircraft wheel will not skid after landing. One important thing is to notice in this landing gear is that there is no return line for hydraulic system. Okay, only pressure line is available and the pressure is still in the hydraulic fluid itself because of no return line. Soon I will upload a video about aircraft braking system, so stay tuned. Finally is jerk fittings or hydraulic fluid expansion point. Jerk fittings is also called as grease points. In these grease points we can grease this fluids and all, brakes and all. Here you can see the jerk fittings. In this jerk fitting we can able to place a grease gun, and by that grease gun we are able to grease that brake system. Then it is also used to escape bubbles from the hydraulic fluid which is present in the brake system. Okay, this is the landing gear. Then next is a hydraulic actuator. Hydraulic actuator returning arm. This is operated by this hydraulic system. You can see the hydraulic lines and all. By this retractor arm only, this landing gear will retracted after takeoff. Okay. Next is, these are all hydraulic lines, flare fittings, elbow fittings. That's it. If you have any doubts regarding AME and aircraft, comment us below. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye. Take care.